That's not too much rust. Yeah, all right.
Definitely don't need another project. What's one more? Oh, here we are. Oh. Here we go. I did this to myself. I love Marketplace. I gotta go.
He's awful proud of it, is what I always say.
How did this even happen to me? Look at this. These are super nice straps though. They're rated at 10,000 pounds braking strength and 33 working strength. Rhino USA. Click the link down below. Hopefully Marketplace doesn't strike again, but we gotta do something with this.